Woodford Model 17 Frost-Free Faucet Installation. To ensure drainage, the wall faucet must be properly installed, or it may freeze and burst in freezing conditions. Before the Woodford Model 17 Frost-Free Faucet is installed, flush supply line to remove any debris. Next, drill a 1 1/8 inch diameter hole through the wall in the desired location and insert the Model 17 from the outside. Secure the Model 17 to the wall using appropriate fasteners installed through the holes in the flange. The adjustable flange matches the slope of the siding. The tube must have a slight downward pitch for proper drainage. Place insulation around the faucet tubing where the hole has been drilled from the outside. From inside the structure, the alignment mark on the tube can be used to correctly align the faucet when the mark is pointed down. If you're going to solder the connection to the water line, open the faucet to the full open position before soldering because excessive heat can damage the valve seat rubber or stainless steel seat and factory solder joint. Now you're ready to turn the water supply back on to test the faucet. Place a hose with a pressure nozzle on it. Then turn the water on. Inside the structure, check for leaks where there's the water connection to the faucet. If there's a leak, be sure to tighten the inlet. Outside the structure, check the packing nut for leaks located behind the handle. After installation, if leakage should occur, the packing nut can be lightly tightened to stop the leak.